final year. Any guesses who is second runner-up? Can we have a big round of applause for Dr. Prachi? I am sure you're going to still continue giving beautiful smiles. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ashwarya.
You can always call on us, and if you want to just discuss an idea or a thought, we'd be happy to handhold you wherever we possibly can. So that's an open invitation to anyone who wants to take it. Yeah, all the best and good luck. It's an incredible journey and enjoy the ride. That's the most important thing. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Fantastic. The experience was fantastic. I think it's a great initiative that MOHA has taken to support women entrepreneurs. Somebody who's an actor, who's an entrepreneur, who knows how important financial independence is. So I think with this initiative, what they're doing with all the participants who've come from such different places in India, Ajmer se aaye hai, Jodhpur se aaye hai, Kolkata se aaye hai, and they're coming and presenting their idea, and all ideas were lovely, and we've chosen 3 winners who we think were good and who I feel can also help with the grant to scale their businesses. So I had a great time interacting with them, listening to their ideas, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you.
को बहुत ही ध्यान से देख रहे थे, क्वेश्चनिंग भी किया, तो बताइए कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस विद मोहा के साथ में, क्या करेंगे आप?
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है. ये जो इनिशिएटिव है मोहा का, डॉक्टर राम का, स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट अभी 3rd सीज़न में है, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत फ़र्क लाएगा जो आज विनर्स होंगे. तो आज 10 महिलाओं ने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, उनके जो बिज़नेस आइडियाज़ हैं उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया, और हमने कुछ सवाल पूछे, और उनके प्लान के हिसाब 3 winners को कुछ पैसे मिलेंगे, which will really help them develop their business, expand their business, achieve their dreams. और मुझे लगता है कि जो seed funding है, जो mentorship उनको मिलेगी by Stand on Your Feet जो initiative है आज, वो it will really benefit them going forward. मैं खुद देख चुकी हूँ कि मेरे जो सपने थे, मुझे जब सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे जब किसी ने हाथ पकड़ के आगे जाने का दिशा दिखाया, तो आई रियली मेड अ डिफरेंस इन माई लाइफ. सो आई कैन सी हाउ, एंड देयर सम रियली वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशंस विद सम रियली वंडरफुल आइडियाज़. तो काफ़ी मुश्किल था आई थिंक हम सबको विनर्स चुनने में, but I think we've come to a decision.
डॉक्टर जी सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए आपके इवेंट वहाँ के इवेंट द ब्यूटीफुल गॉडेस व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन
क्या सवाल है मतलब really amazing question.
नहीं तो of course one of the key aspects is that it endorses at one level it endorses when ma'am comes and people celebrities like
Please don't call me ma'am.
Okay, when
Soha is fine.
comes, it just endorses whatever that we're trying to do, and I think at some level, as she mentioned, that whenever she started something new, it is always at that time when you need the most amount of encouragement and guidance and support. So this is the small thing that we're doing. हमारा जो इधर फ़र्क है वो डेट नहीं है या जहाँ दे रहे हैं या इक्विटी नहीं दे रहे हैं. इट्स प्योर ग्रांट. So it's just something that we're giving to them that they can use in their business and grow. And this is the third season, and we have seen कि पहले जो दो विनर थे उन्होंने ये पैसा लेके उनकी बिजनेस में जो उन्नति हुई है वो सुन के उसके पिक्चर और वीडियो देखते बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है. So I mean we just hope that we keep growing more and more and support women entrepreneurs.
So ma'am, I'd like to ask you that हमने आपको हमेशा वुमेन्स एम्पावर करते हुए नजर किया है, जैसे मैराथन वॉकिंग मैराथन या कुछ. तो मैम, where do you see the Gen Z generation women going in the future?
आई थिंक कि अभी बहुत अवेयरनेस है, बहुत नॉलेज है, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है, लेकिन इंडिया आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ इंडिया इज़ नॉट ऑन द सेम लेवल. मैं तो कह सकती हूँ कि मेरी लाइफ बहुत ही प्रिविलेज है, सिर्फ मेरी माँ बाप की वजह से नहीं, मेरी एजुकेशन की वजह से, कि मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन शिक्षा मिली है. और मैं जानती हूँ कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे लड़कियों को ऐसी शिक्षा नहीं मिलती है, एंड थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी औरों के लिए खड़ा होना ज़रूरी है, उनकी आवाज़ बनना ज़रूरी है, टू रिप्रेजेंट दैम. सो दैट आई फील शुड हैपन मोर. इसीलिए मैं और लोगों को इनकरेज भी करना चाहूँगी, अगले साल आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट में, आप भी भाग लीजिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, जो बिजनेस एस्पिरेशंस हैं, आपको यहाँ पे शायद आपको भी मदद मिलेगी. थैंक यू. थैंक
I think it's very special when Stand on Your Feet एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है women के लिए where everyone can kind of be on the same level, share their business ideas and hopefully grow from here. And I think as a woman it's always very special when I'm in a space where I can see that other women are being uplifted, other women are being kind of their visions are being celebrated. So I think एक बहुत ही special day है just to celebrate women who are doing something unique and special.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, we have seen you in as women empowerment, supporting women empowerment. So ma'am, आज की generation में, in the Gen Z generation, how important it is for the women to be empowered and know about what they want to do and what is wrong and what's right when it comes to men and their touch and should be or not be proven, whatever.
Yeah, great question. Thank you for that. I feel like मैं originally दिल्ली से हूँ, मैं LSR में थी, लेडीशियम तो मैं गर्ल्स के साथ ही पढ़ी हूँ and we all have learned the importance of supporting each other, stopping something that is wrong, kind of questioning the patriarchal structure of society. So ये मेरे अंदर ही अंदर घुस चुका है. फिर आई मूवी ऊपर जहाँ भी मैंने ये दिखाया दर्शकों को. So yeah, like you said, it's always kind of within me to stand for something that is on the right side and always question something that is a kind of an injustice to a woman, something where she is being pulled down for. I think I would always stand for women in that way, and I'm very happy to be here and support women who are coming with a vision and a cause and a business idea that they want to kind of change their world and the society around it.
Ma'am, I would also like to ask, feminism, to support feminism, but there is also a sort of toxic feminism which is going on and everyone knows about it. So would you like to tell anything about toxic feminism and have you ever seen a case personally like that?
I feel like, I don't want to talk about anything in that kind of space just because I feel like today is a day where we're just celebrating.
Yeah.
And I feel anything that is unnecessarily questioning why a woman is doing something, that is where things get a bit fishy. So today is just a day about women empowerment in the sense that we're a bunch of women today who have come to look after and uplift and question the women around us and possibly help them grow. And I think that's the main agenda. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.